All right, guys, so as you guys see right here in this photo was actually shot in a setting that was like very, very light, like dark lighting. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm going to show you guys how we can actually take this photo and edit it. And we're going to make it much brighter than what it actually is in just a few simple steps. So right here we have our layers and it's already flattened as a background. I just want to double click it. Click OK. Then go here, add a new layer. Select your paint bucket, make sure that the color is set to white. Click here, the whole thing gonna be white. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over here and you can see how you can do it, but I always like to click soft lighting. I think that makes it perfect. So now I wanna go over here and I wanna add my brightness and contrast to make a new layer. And here you can just play with it. You can add it there. You see it will actually make the colors, you know, this way, that way. You can make it a little bit more brighter. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Now I'm actually going to go through, of course, you know, I'm going to do more stuff to this because her photo is not all the way how I want it to be. I want to actually edit it, make her smooth. So, you know, I just wanted to show you guys really quickly though in this quick video how you can make a dark photo brighter. Now you may want to also adjust the coloring. So I would click flatten the image, double click it, make it a new layer. Go right here to camera raw filter. Here you can actually adjust the light in and, you know, not only the lighting but actually the temperature of it, you know, to make it look a little bit more natural, warm. Now, the thing is, I feel like it's a little bit too overexposed, so I'm just going to bring this down just a little bit, but I can actually take the highlights, make it like that. She is so beautiful, isn't she? We can take the whiteness out. We can increase the highlight. We can bring the black in. There's so many ways you can do this. But I hope that this video really helped you guys on how you can make a dark photo brighter.